Guys, you know how creating ad videos usually takes hours of editing, scripting, and endless tweaking? Well, what if you could take a simple product link and turn it into a polished, ready-to-publish video in just a few minutes? That's exactly what Creatify promises to do. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video, we're going to explore how the platform can automatically generate product ads, custom avatars, and even viral-ready social clips, all without the manual grind. By the end, you'll see how video marketing can practically run on autopilot. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump inside Creatify and see how it works. Alright, my friends, let's dive into Creatify, a groundbreaking platform for generating ad videos and automatically turning product links or static visuals into professional video clips with avatars. The platform's main features include video ads created directly from any link or piece of content and personalized avatar videos with talking characters. There are dynamic product videos, transforming images into dynamic showcase clips, and VO3 ads, which is a new way of producing high-quality ad creatives. Guys, you can also create your own custom avatar, generate short viral clips for social media, and even use batch mode to produce multiple variations for A/B testing at once. On the technical side, Creatify relies on product vision and computer vision to analyze visual content, natural language processing to generate scripts, and neural rendering to bring realistic avatars to life. Today we are going to walk through the full workflow, from creating a custom avatar all the way to producing the final video. So folks, let's jump into the dashboard and get started. Right now, I'll show you how video marketing can be fully automated with Creatify and artificial intelligence. We're going to make a product video for our AirSense Pro, which is an advanced portable air quality monitor. First, let's head over to AI Video Ads and add the link to our product. You can use pretty much any link – Amazon, Etsy, eBay, or other platforms. You can either select the product manually or let the tool analyze the link for you. Let's go with that option, guys. Creatify immediately starts scanning the link, pulling in the brand name and product description straight from the website. To kick things off, it asks us to upload at least 3 images or 1 video. That way the ad has some assets to work with. I'll go ahead and upload a few product shots, select them all and save them inside Smart Assets. From there, folks, I can reuse these product images whenever I need them. We can also add some promotional info. For example, there's the original price and then a promo price. So let's show it exactly the way it's listed on our site. You can also highlight special offers, like free shipping or any other promo deals you want to attach to your product. Next, let's go into the video settings, guys. Here you can choose presets for different social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, or just stick with the general format. I'll go with a 9:16 aspect ratio, since that's perfect for shorts, and set the duration to 30 seconds. The language will be English. For the target audience, the Smart tool has already analyzed the product and suggested the audience segments that fit best. That makes it easier, but you can always pick your own, folks. Now let's generate the script for the video. This usually takes less than 45 seconds. The process is really fast. And we immediately get a few script options: toxic detection, asthma protection, and 2 more. You can choose whichever works best, adjust the tone of voice, or even plug in your own custom script. For this demo, I'll pick toxic detection in a professional tone. The script gets regenerated with that setting, and we're ready to go, guys. The next step is choosing an avatar. You can pick from one of the realistic avatars, go with a more stylized one, or even create your own custom presenter. Since this device is designed for outdoor air quality monitoring, I'll go with an avatar that matches the use case. For example, we can also choose different industries. It could be health, or you can select multiple options to narrow down your target audience. I'll pick this avatar, Max and Outdoor, and try it in a few variations. Okay, folks, let's hit generate, and the AI creates the storyboard. This step usually takes less than a minute. And here we can see the results. 16 video drafts have been generated. From here, you can render one or several of them. Let's check out some of the options.
Indoor air quality can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, yet most homeowners remain unaware of this hidden health risk. The AirSense Pro provides comprehensive air quality monitoring with professional-grade precision.
That was a version without the avatar. I can keep it as is. Then there's one with the avatar, which looks decent as well. You get the idea of the dynamics here, guys. Let's look at a few with outdoor settings.
Indoor air quality can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, yet most homeowners remain unaware of this hidden health risk. The AirSense Pro provides comprehensive air quality monitoring with professional-grade precision. This advanced device utilizes sophisticated sensors to accurately measure volatile organic compounds, PM 2.5 particulates, and carbon dioxide levels in real time. Rather than attributing symptoms like headaches to unknown causes, you can now identify whether poor air quality is the culprit. The portable design allows for convenient monitoring throughout your home, delivering precise.
These look pretty interesting, so I'll select several of them. Now I'll render 6 videos. There's a quick reminder about how many credits will be used, and then we start the render. Since most of the videos are already pre-generated, the final rendering doesn't take long. And here's the final output, folks.
Do you want to know what happens if you ignore the air quality inside your home? With MediPure Air Monitor, you can take control before poor indoor air quality becomes a serious, unnoticed danger. The AirSense Pro provides comprehensive air quality monitoring with professional-grade precision. This advanced device utilizes sophisticated sensors to accurately measure volatile organic compounds, PM 2.5 particulates, and carbon dioxide levels in real time. Rather than attributing symptoms like headaches to unknown causes, you can now identify whether poor air quality is the culprit. The portable design allows for convenient monitoring throughout your home, delivering precise data to help safeguard your family's respiratory health. Take control of your indoor environment with the AirSense Pro and gain the knowledge needed to make informed decisions about your air quality.
From here, we can preview all the other videos. Each one can be downloaded, and if we want, we can make edits right here without leaving the dashboard. Thanks to the built-in editor, we can adjust our scenes and fix anything we don't like. You can replace or add stickers, captions, and effects. You can even change the avatar and update the script scene by scene, swap out the music, or edit the text. Basically, guys, it's an all-in-one tool for managing promo videos, especially for social media ads. We can also save any video we like as a template and reuse it later. The lip sync feature works smoothly too. Just like promised after rendering, there are no issues at all. On top of that, you can create your own avatar and use it in your videos. There are 2 ways to do this. The first way is to start with a demo avatar, then customize things like age, ethnicity, behavior, and extra details. From there, folks, you can design the background, add your product, or even brand elements to the avatar. The second way is bring your own avatar. Here, you record yourself on video, anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, with the right positioning and angles. Creatify provides a short tutorial that explains what to do and what to avoid so you can capture yourself properly. Once done, the system builds your personal custom avatar directly from your own footage. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. You can also create VO3 ads. This feature is powered by Google's revolutionary video generation model, and it allows us to create impressive videos. We can use the same product we uploaded earlier. For example, I added the optional description, specifying that it's AirSense Pro from Denstor Electronics, just to see how it works. You can upload a product directly, or you can even promote a service simply by pasting in a link, whether that's your website, a web studio, or even a marketing agency. The system will analyze it automatically. Once that's done, folks, the tool suggests several recipes that best fit our product. For instance, we see templates like Yeti Vlogger, Exchange Ops Floor Check-in, and Urban River Restoration. There are different formats too: interview, short-form video, device test lab, and more. I think this recipe works best for me. Let's confirm the product info and go on and generate it. Before the render starts, Creatify gives us a quick summary, guys: which prompt it's using, the model, how many credits it will cost, and the aspect ratio, in this case 16:9 for YouTube. And after waiting a bit, we get the final result.
You can't fix air you can't see, smell, or trust. Introducing AirSense Pro, by the way. Yeah, that's the name.
And honestly, the result is excellent. The Veo 3 model delivers professional-grade quality. It looks like a real lab shoot. Alright, my friends, let's move on to a different tool. What you see here is called creative testing. Right now it's still in beta, but we can already see what it's capable of. This is a revolutionary tool for A/B testing ads, powered by artificial intelligence. It's not just standard split testing, it's a science-driven approach to ad campaigns based on machine learning algorithms. The first highlight is test like a scientist, guys. The platform automatically generates dozens of ad versions in just minutes. Each version comes with its own personalized angles, messaging, and hooks. This is what they call automated variant generation. The system produces different combinations of CTAs, visuals, and story hooks, all without any manual effort. Another one is fast, efficient launches. This is the key advantage for performance marketers. Folks, you can quickly launch a creative batch, test it with small budgets, and validate what works before scaling. This dramatically reduces time to insight and risk exposure when rolling out new campaigns. Next up is smarter with every cycle. Here we see adaptive learning in action. The bot automatically analyzes performance data from your previous campaigns and uses those insights to improve the next generation of creatives. It's a self-learning system that boosts your win rate with every testing cycle, guys. Your ads optimized by AI. This solves the problem of creative fatigue, where audiences get tired of seeing the same ads over and over. The system ensures continuous improvement, sharper targeting, and better ROI through automated optimization, all without manual intervention. Technically, here's how it works, guys. You upload a batch of creative assets, and the tool generates multiple variations with different parameters. After that, the system runs a controlled experiment with statistically significant results, and then it automatically scales the best performing versions. Okay, folks, now we're inside the creative testing setup, the control panel for automated A/B testing campaigns. Let's configure the parameters using the scientific approach to testing. We'll use the same product we used earlier, which allows the AI to leverage product-specific data for generating highly relevant creative versions. In the video settings, we can choose the key technical parameters. For language, let's set it to English for an international audience, but you can also select from many other languages in the list, guys. Then we choose duration options. 15 seconds is perfect for TikTok or Instagram stories. 30 seconds works best for Facebook and YouTube Shorts. 45 seconds is good for more detailed presentations, and 60 seconds is ideal for comprehensive product demos. Aspect ratio. These settings are critical for cross-platform optimization. 9:16 is vertical content, perfect for TikTok and Instagram stories. 16:9 is the traditional landscape format for YouTube and Facebook. And 1:1 gives you a universal square format that works reliably across all platforms, folks. Next is the testing method section, which offers two approaches. Easy mode is for those who want quick results without manual configuration. In this mode, the AI automatically generates versions, launches optimized campaigns, and identifies top-performing videos with no intervention required. Expert mode, on the other hand, provides full control over your creations and campaign strategy. Advanced advertisers can customize generation parameters, apply detailed audience targeting playbooks, and launch A/B testing campaigns with complete control over variables and statistical significance. For our technical demo, guys, we'll choose Easy Mode, the recommended option, to showcase how much the tool can do automatically without human involvement. We click Create, and the agent begins analyzing the requirements from our campaign. It reviews the technical settings we selected, processes the product asset, and develops a testing strategy based on that asset. From here, folks, the system presents us with a complete campaign plan ready to apply. In the script section, we see two suggested messaging directions for our AirSense Pro. The first focuses on child safety with an emotional appeal, targeting parents concerned about the quality of air in their homes. The second uses shocking results, a data-driven approach, presenting specific numbers and facts to capture attention with hard evidence. This stage is called message testing or copy variation analysis. And guys, in the avatar section, you can run A/B tests with different spoken personas. For example, one option is Benjamin, a male adult with an American English accent in an outdoor setting. Professional and authoritative, perfect for B2B communication. The second option is Leo on an outdoor patio, more casual and relatable, ideal for consumer markets. This process is known as audience resonance testing. Next are the visual dimensions. Here, folks, you can experiment with background environments and screen effects. A dynamic green screen effect can create a futuristic, high-tech atmosphere, while a neutral green screen delivers a more professional and minimal look. These visual elements can have a dramatic impact on conversion rates, depending on your target audience. And the audio track in this demo is Windows Symphony, an atmospheric background music piece that highlights the technological and premium nature of the product. Audio is often underestimated, guys, yet it can boost engagement rates by 15 to 20%. In the corner, you'll notice a calculation. We have got 2 scripts, 2 avatars, and 2 visual effects, which equals 8 video variations. This illustrates a factorial design approach, where every combination produces a unique test version for comprehensive performance analysis. Moving on to audience settings. Since our e-commerce store is configured for the United States, the system automatically selects the US as the target market, but you can also expand this to a worldwide audience, folks. Demographic filters are available as well. For our product, we'll keep the age range set to 18 to 65 and include all genders. Finally, we configure the campaign budget. You can choose a shared budget across all ad variations or assign individual budgets to each test using bidding strategies like lowest cost without cap. Here, you also set the daily ad spend, campaign start date, and end date. Once that's done, the campaign is ready to launch, my friends. Alright, my friends, that's a wrap on Creatify. Honestly, it's a game changer if you're tired of spending hours editing and still not getting the results you want. Just drop in a product link, tweak a few settings, and boom, you've got ad videos, custom avatars, and even viral-ready clips without the hassle. Guys, if you're curious, I definitely recommend giving it a try for yourself. I've left the link down in the description so you can check it out. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.